Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can convert the data on Google Sheets into a graph and create a graph based on the data. So let us get started. First guys, we need to navigate to the given spreadsheet with the given data. Let us go with this example table here, favorite color and the number of votes per each color. So what you want to do guys is highlight the entire area that covers the data. So let us start with the titles here. And as you can see, all the data is included, right? What you want to do next is click into insert here, and then navigate to chart. And from chart, select the chart type here to the right. So as you can see, the bar chart is the default one, representing these columns, for example, numbers, and that value here, for example, favorite color. So you can customize the graph. Of course, you can change the title here. You can change these entries. And then here to the right, guys, you may change the chart type as well from the aforementioned column or bar chart to, let's say, for example, line graph or pie chart and so on and so forth to have your data displayed in the given graph. And that's how it works, guys. You can move the graph here to the right and have a wonderful day.